Hello you lovely lot. It's a really quick video today just to show you that how I did my Aurora nails. Somebody had asked how I did them and if I could do a video. So I'm going to do one today just to show you how I did it. It's really simple. There's no a great deal to it. So as you can see, we're starting off with a base coat. Just a nice, it's not a thick layer, just a nice even layer. And then cure that. I only cured it I think for 30 seconds. And then I'm rubbing the Aurora powder into the tackiness, and then I'll cure it for the other 30 seconds. I just wanted to make sure that it was sticky enough to take the pigment. So that'll go back in, finish curing, and then it'll be on to the next step. Okay, so this step is applying the angel paper. At first I thought that you cut like loads of wee bits, you know, smaller strips, and put them on separately, but then after I watched someone do it, I realised you keep it in one piece, cut it to the basic shape and length of the nail, and it doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to come right to the edges, but you want to cover the whole nail in one go rather than with several wee strips, although it does work with wee strips, it just doesn't give the exact same effect. So I've snipped a few bits round the edges because you know how with any foil or angel paper, when you lay a flat item on a curved surface, it just doesn't work. So I've cut a few snips in it so that it'll mould better to the nail, and I'm applying it with I think it was a top coat I put it on with actually, so that it didn't have a tacky layer, but I could be wrong, it was maybe a base coat, I have no idea at this point. So just smoothing it down, and those wee slits will help it to lie down on the nail and get it to sit better. And then that'll go into the lamp for a full cure of 60 seconds. Then I went over it with the builder base. It's just a bit thicker, so it gives you a better covering, as you know, if you're trying to encapsulate something. So I went over it with the builder base, got a good covering of that. It doesn't matter if it's a bit thicker because you're going to file and buff it into shape anyway. So get that covered, and make sure you do get the edges with this one so that it's covered, so that if you do file, you're not going to catch the edges. And your angel paper is going to stay intact. And then again, that'll go in the lamp for a full 60-second cure. And then we're going to wipe off the tacky layer, file it, buff it, make sure it's nice and smooth and nice and even, get it looking all pretty, and then you're going to put your final top coat on it and put it back in the lamp for the last 60 seconds. And that is basically the Aurora nail done. That's how I did mine, and I thought the effect was absolutely gorgeous. So let me know if you've tried this, if you're going to try it. I would love to see if you do them, because I really enjoyed doing them and I think they looked absolutely beautiful. I kept these on for a good wee while. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial. Let me know how you got on and what you think down below. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.